Animating text around an object is simple, but do you know you can do much more with this technique? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text and images around an object or a moving person. Additionally, I'll share some advanced tips and tricks to help you level up your motion design skills. So without further ado, let's get started. We are in After Effects. Let's create a new composition and name this comp Main Comp. I select the resolution Full HD at 60 FPS, and the duration should be 5 seconds. Now import the image you want to use. I use this image and make sure it's transparent. Add it to the timeline and let me adjust it a bit nicely. Next, pre-compose this layer and name this comp Image Holder. Check this icon and click OK. Now I'm adding a solid layer, which is going to be our background layer. Place it below the image. Go to the Effects panel and search for Gradient Ramp Effects. Then simply apply it to the background layer and change ramp shape from linear to radial, then swap colors. Next, I'm adjusting the color pin like this because the light is coming from the left side to our model. Also, I want to change the color to something purple. Nice, it's looking good. After that, select the text tool and write something. I'm writing randomly just for showing you. After that, align this text to the center. Then select the layer and pre-compose it, naming this comp Text Up. Check this icon and click OK. Now open this composition. Here you can see our text does not fit into this composition, so what we can do is go to Composition Settings and change comp height to 500 pixels and comp width to 4000 pixels. Now our text fits under the comp. Right now, it looks simple, so I'm going to add a line between this text. Now go back to the main comp and search for an effect called CC Cylinder. Then simply apply it to this layer. After applying, our text shape changes to a cylinder. Let's see the settings in the Effects Control panel. First one is Radius. By this setting, you can control the radius of the text. Underneath, you'll find Position. You can control the position by these values, but wait, our text gets cut off when I change its position. So let's see how to fix this. All you need to do is click this icon. That's it. Now we can change the shape without worrying about it. Next, I increase the radius so it fits perfectly on our model. Let's look at the rotation properties of this effect. There are 3 different rotation values, and you can control each rotation separately. Alright, let me set the right angle of the text, then we'll proceed further. Okay, so this angle is perfect for me. Now select the text layer and duplicate it, then rename it Text Down. Move this layer below the image layer. Next, select the Text Up layer and change its render setting from full to outside. Now it looks like a text ring around the model. But wait, we need to rotate this. So I go to the rotation properties of this effect, and when I change the Y rotation, it looks like this. Because we're only rotating the upper part of the text, we need a setup to get full control of it. First, select the Text Up layer and lock this effect. Then open the Text Down rotation properties in the Effects section. I'm going to parent each rotation property to our main text layer. Hold Alt and click this stopwatch to open the expression window. Then carefully use the Pick Whip tool to parent it to these rotation values. Now if I change this rotation value, the second layer follows it. That's the power of expression parenting. Next, I suggest you parent the rest of the rotation properties one by one for future-proofing. I also parent the radius amount. You can parent position properties as well. Now, our parenting setup is complete. Let's animate its rotation. I am using an expression because it's easy to use. Hold Alt and click this Y rotation stopwatch. Then write a simple expression. Time times 30. Then click anywhere to confirm. Check the animation. The animation looks good. You can also change the lighting according to your scene using the light settings in the effects control panel. You can also change the color of the light. Now, what if I want to rotate images or videos around this model? It's possible. Let's see how to do it. First, go to the text composition and hide the text. Then import some random images. You can also use videos. Add them to the timeline and decrease their size so they fit the composition. After that, I arrange them like this. When I go back to the main composition, the text is replaced with the images. Pretty cool, right? Right now, they look too big on the screen, so we can adjust them by scaling down. Just select both text layers and open Scale Properties. Then uncheck this link and decrease the X value of the scale until all images are in a circle. Then we can also change the Y value of the scale to make it better. And there you go. Wait, the tutorial isn't over yet. I have something special for you. What if you want this effect on a moving object or person? Well, we can do that too. Let's see how to do it. Go to the image composition and remove the image, then import a video footage. Add it to this composition, and we can delete the images. Then I'm going to quickly fit the video to this composition. Now, this video fits our comp. Next, I'm going to cut this video at 2 seconds because we don't want the entire video, and I cropped this comp as well. Next, I select the Roto Brush tool and double-click on the video layer so a new panel opens. Here it is, so I expand this. Now, I'm going to select this person using this tool, because I want to cut out this person from the video. It's giving an error because our composition frame rate is different from this video. So I quickly set the frame rate to 50 as our video has 50 FPS. Now, I've carefully selected the area I want to cut out. For a precise cutout, I switch to the Refine Edge tool and cover the hair part of this person. At this point, my selection is too small, so I increase it a bit, and now I can select it very easily. You can see the X-ray style look over the hair, which helps us with precise rotoscoping. Now I hit the space bar to proceed. It takes some time depending on your computer hardware. Once it's done, I switch to our composition, and you can see we've successfully cut out the person from the video. You can see the rotoscoping data over here. Next, duplicate the layer, place it below, and rename it Background. Also, remove the rotoscoping data from this layer. Then copy this background layer and turn it off. Go back to the main comp, select the image comp, and adjust it like this. I am also changing the gradient to match the overall color for a better look. And that's it. We have our moving person with this effect. Now, if I want our original background, I paste the background here and place it below. Align the person into the composition and place the background below the text down layer. Also, I adjust the position of the text layer slightly, and this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, consider buying me a coffee. Your support makes a big difference and helps me keep creating awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.